সেই রুলটা সংসদ সরকার ৭৮ থেকে চালু করছে। একই রুলসে আমাদের চাকরি হয়েছে। আমরা রাষ্ট্রপতির কাছে জিজ্ঞাসা করতে চাই, আমাদের আমাকে বনে পাঠিয়েছেন, কাবুল বলছেন। রামচন্দ্র কিন্তু আবার ফিরে এসে রাজ্যে রাজা হয়েছিল। আমরা সেখানে কর্মশালায় ফিরে আসবো, আবার আমাদের সেখানে সগৌরবে সসম্মানে ফিরে যাব। আসামের স্ট্যান্ডিং কাউন্সিলর এখনো যারা যারা সেখানে চক্রান্ত করছেন, আপনাদের সেখানে হুঁশিয়ার দিয়ে বলতে চাই, আমরা হয়তো ১০,৩০০ দেশ একদিন আপনাদেরকে আমরা ক্ষমা করে দেবো, কিন্তু রাজ্যের ৩৭ লক্ষ জনগণ আপনাদের ক্ষমা করবে না।
Right now I'm standing here in front of Agartala city center, and we can see right behind me there is a protest sit-in demonstration called by the Joint Movement Committee, comprising 3 organizations of the SAC teachers who were terminated from March 31st last. We will go now and speak with some of the teachers who have lost their job following the verdict of the High Court, which was later on upheld by the Supreme Court of India.
You all must have heard regarding the 10,323 teachers, the problem that we are facing in Tripura. We have been illegally terminated from our job since March 31st, 2020. But we were actually not terminated as per the judgment given by the Biplab Gupta in the year 2014 by Honorable High Court. In the High Court, in 127 point, it has been clearly mentioned that only the challenge 462 teachers would lose their job. But the government, instead of terminating only 462 teachers, the government have illegally terminated 10,323 number of teachers from the education department. So that is why we are here since yesterday 10:30 morning, and we have called for this sit-in demonstration for indefinite period till the government come up with a permanent solution.
So we spoke with some of the teachers who have said, rightly mentioned, what has exactly happened and how they have lost their job. What was the order of the High Court, and that was later on upheld by the Supreme Court. So we also have done a documentary on their apathy and how they lost their job. To watch that, you have to log on to www.eastmojo.com. This is Chandan Pandey reporting from Agartala.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.